This DJ. Yo, DJ, drop it. Ooh, yeah. I promise I'd do it again. You know. Yeah. I promise I'd do it. What take shit? Cause the way up the block, only ride every guy keeps it moving like a Swiss watch. Tick-tock, tick-tock, yo, the vibes at the rock, and you know we don't stop, don't quit, don't quit. If you did it, then you should've known. I'm on that road, we gon' surrender, but then it's that part, cause the gamble will never. Cause I know, and you know, this is the end of the line, so I keep smiling. You know, they're prepared for the slow that you want. Free zone, listen as I really dance on like baby, that battle, pump it like a fraggle, I'm on the road like a twin, slow with the flow. It was from my lips, make your girl shake her head. And if you think that just hit, that's it's good for you. Go ahead and show it, go make a fool of yourself. I love you, there's no one above you. I said it the last time, but this is the last time. And don't believe your church, cause I can be faithful. You said you're my number one. You're my number one. Yeah, I mean, people say all the life, all the party now. I tell it's over to you. Oh, I'm not in love with my life, but always deep inside of you. So take a good look at my face. I'm a little bit see my smile, but celebrate. Even closer, it's easy to trace the tracks of my tears. And you, yeah, that's what. How many of the brothers on the corner ready to show? How many brothers on the twin, just like before? Just a bunch of shooters smoking up a bill. Paying per case and the dealers running back and forth. Inside of innocence, none of your business. Why we be letting up guns, giving us a business. It's in the coincidence that we be letting up dirty shots up. That's why I lose her off the rough up, buried in a row. Ain't nobody ever told. If a homie is so cold and I can't hold back. It's time that that was a real as a man. Whatever you may try, you better than that. But listen, FOBs have claimed UTP. And it's like a butterfly, stick like a killer bee. Lyrically, I can't straight up, yeah. You can go a half step or sleep, but nobody touch her. I touch her moves this week like Georgia Bulls that beat it. And I wanna back the Wikipedia seed into the limits that you never explored. I probably should've would say, why don't we groove together to the rhythm of life? To the rhythm of life, to the rhythm of life. I wanna hold you close to the end of my life. Come on, baby, why don't we groove together to the rhythm of life? To the rhythm of life, to the rhythm of life. I wanna hold you close to the end of my life. One of my locals said, talking blood running in my veins, pumping on my chest. No need for a vest to protect me, 'cause when we step, we don't step gently.